Hi. As you may or may not know, this tragic event happened at Harry Hahn Shell Station at the corner of Wilshire and Vermont in Los Angeles. This is clearly an illustration of how quickly things can get out of hand. And it's a reminder that safety is priority number one. We're all very happy that Harry and his customers were able to avoid harm during this tragic event. Some lessons learned: always be aware of your surroundings. Expect the unexpected and do whatever's necessary to stay safe and calm during events like this. Thank you.